This is a winter storm briefing for a storm that is expected to occur from April 8th through the 10th. I'm Sally Johnson, meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls. For our weather headlines beginning tonight, Monday night, we're expecting a mix of rain, freezing rain and snow between April 8th and 10th, starting tonight, Monday night, April 8th. Monday night through Tuesday night, you can expect freezing rain, changing over to snow. We have blustery winds gusting up to 35 to 40 miles per hour. And we do expect some break in the precipitation during the daytime on Tuesday before it ramps back up on Tuesday night. On Wednesday, we're expecting mainly snow, and that's when the heaviest snow is expected to fall. Wind gusts are expected to be 30 to 35 miles an hour on Wednesday, slightly lower than on Tuesday. However, the snow is going to be heavy and wet, so significant blowing snow is not expected. For our weather headlines, we do have winter storm warnings in effect. Those are in the pink, roughly from Brookings to west of Sioux Falls, down to the Lake Andes National Wildlife Refuge and areas west of there. And then we do have a winter storm watch in effect from roughly from Marshall to Sioux Falls down to Yankton, and that's in the blue. And right now we do not have anything in effect for Sioux City. These headlines are in effect from Monday night through Wednesday. And for our graphical weather, on the top left you can see we've got storm total snowfall expected from tonight through Wednesday night. 8 to 11 inches is expected mostly over the winter storm warning area, and that'll occur mostly Tuesday night in through Wednesday. And then just east of that, basically east to the west of the James River Valley, 4 to 7 inches is expected by Wednesday night. And then down in Sioux City area, we're expecting anywhere from 1 to 3 inches on Wednesday night. Icing is also expected in the lower left-hand graphic. You can see anywhere from 0.05 to 1/10 of an inch is expected through a large area of southeast South Dakota, southwest Minnesota, and northwest Iowa into northeast Nebraska, with a heavier amount right in the center, roughly from Marshall down into the Lake Andes National Wildlife Refuge and a few miles out either side of that line. Up to 1/4 of an inch of icing can be expected. And that is going to impact a significant area along Interstate 29 and Interstate 90 from Sioux Falls to Chamberlain. Here's a closer look at our ice accumulations. You can see most of the ice accumulations which will impact roadways will occur north of Sioux Falls along Interstate 29 and west of Sioux Falls to near Chamberlain on Interstate 90. Snowfall totals, a closer look from just west of Marshall down into the Lake Andes National Wildlife Refuge and west Huron, Chamberlain, Mitchell. 8 to 11 inches is expected. Some lower amounts near Sioux Falls, Marshall, Spencer, Yankton, anywhere from 4 to 7 inches is expected. And then near Sioux City, 1 to 3 inches is expected. And this is all through Wednesday night. So in summary, in the warning areas, we're expecting a mixed bag of precipitation over the next several days. Starting out as rain, changing to freezing rain, and then into snow Monday night through Wednesday night. We're expecting all snow by Wednesday. 8 to 11 inches storm total snow in the warning areas, and anywhere from 0.05 to 1/4 total ice accumulation. And this will impact the main interstates in this part of South Dakota. In the watch areas, rain, freezing rain, and snow Monday night through Wednesday night is again slightly smaller snow totals, 4 to 7 inches storm total snow, and less ice accumulation, anywhere from 0.05 to 1/10 total ice accumulation. And again, these will still be along the interstates and other side country roads, so roadways impacts are expected. So as we expect, ice accumulation on roadways possible Monday night through Tuesday night. Snow is going to be heavy and wet. Blowing snow is not expected. However, once the snow becomes heavy, there will be limited visibility on Tuesday night into Wednesday as the snow continues to fall on top of the ice accumulations that had already occurred the day before. For additional information, stay tuned to your local media. You can visit us on our website at weather.gov/Sioux Falls, checking road conditions. And then we're expecting, if you can send precipitation type and amounts to us through Twitter. We're at NWS Sioux Falls.